What's up guys, welcome to the Ken channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Mi True Wireless earbuds, the basic edition. So let's get started. As you can see clearly, the seal is still there. So I'm gonna cut open the seal. And come on. I tore it. That's fine for today. And here I'm gonna pull it out. Oh my god, that's cool. Nothing else in the box. That's great. What else we get here? Oh, that's great. Big box, only small stuff. My god, that's great. I'll put it aside. Okay, so what do we have here? This is the warranty notice, page number 1. I don't care about that. This is the manual, the really small manual. That is great. What does it say? Left, right. You have to wear it like this. Come on, camera focus. It cannot focus. Something is wrong. Yes, okay. Please pay attention. It says please pay attention. You have to remove the charging. Okay, it's micro USB. And it's the button one. Okay. Okay, alright. Here, just a second. Yes. Here we have the earbuds, large and small. We don't have the medium one because medium one is inside. So now, moment of truth for this one. Come on, what's wrong? Why is it not focusing? Yes. Well, that is great. It's actually great, but let's start. That was really bad. My bad. It just slipped out of my hand. But starting was great though. Have a look. Focus. Something is wrong, so I'm gonna just shift. Perfect. That is literally amazing. But do you guys see the light? No, there's no light. Is there no battery or something? No problem. Well, that is great. So I will be back. I will put in charge and I'll come back. So see you guys within, for you it will be a second. But okay, my friends, so the battery in them was dead, so I charged them for some time. I placed the cover over here, so leave it. You see, these are cool, and since the case is a bit charged, so they are charging right now. And to my surprise, it doesn't have wireless charging. It may have, but then I tried it with a Note 10 Plus. This AirPod was charging, but then this was it. So my guess is it doesn't. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and do a Bluetooth test, like just connect them. And just a second. Does it? Nope, it needs to be open. Why is this a bit loose? You see guys, it's a loose. Probably something is wrong with mine. I don't think so. So yeah, so it is like you take it out of the box and then they get connected. This one, right. It got connected. Now I need to check if both of them are disconnected. How much time does it take for them to connect back to the same thing? Because I don't want to every time just open the Bluetooth and then connect, because it's iPhone. Unsuccessful. It's turned on and in range. So something is wrong maybe. Let's try again. Connected. Okay. So now I'm gonna switch to my iPhone for recording, and then I'm gonna just tell you how does these things sound. So people, this is the voice from the earbuds. It is not that great, but it will do. Like, yes, it will do while you're in a call. But then beware, don't go in a place which is crowded, because it is not that smart. It doesn't cut off the sound from the surroundings. So you can see can you hear the sound? Yes, you can. That's the problem with this. And when you're going out in air, it will be like, so keep that in mind. Continue. So guys, I have tested everything, and right now I'm connected to the headset, but I don't know why this mobile doesn't recognize it, and it is not recording through the microphone. So I'm recording through the normal mobile microphone. I removed my headset, and now this case looks really cool, but then the problem is it doesn't connect by itself. So that was all it, and what to say, you want to shut it down. Ouch, just remove it, and then it is connected. Okay, so you place in, it is magnetic, and boom, have a great look. It's charging. Can you see? It's charging. It's great. Overall it's great. So hope you guys liked the video. I will be uploading the war W-A-R war between this thing and this thing. Okay, mine is an iPhone 6s Plus, so it takes time, but don't allow. But have a look. This thing, sorry for this thing. Sorry for disappointing you guys, I'm really sorry. But final one, this thing. Yep, see? So I'll keep you guys updated, and yes, I will see you around soon.